So I got this tray from Dollar Tree before and I spray painted in white. It comes in different colors. As you can see, I spray painted just to do another DIY video, but then you could just spray paint any color that you guys are doing. Then after that, I took this floral foam. I'm going to just measure it to see if it fit. If it doesn't, just go ahead and cut the extra pieces out and then measure again to make sure it fit into place. Then once you do that, just go ahead and grab your hot glue and put a hot glue all the way around it. Make sure to put enough hot glue like I'm doing here, because you have to make sure that it attaches very good into place, because this is what's going to hold everything down. Then after you do that, I'm going to take this hoop. If you would like the link for the hoop, just comment hoops and I will send you the link straight to you. Then I'm going to measure it there to see that I'm going to take a knife and start cutting it out like that. Make sure to cut it all the way down, because it has to fit all the way inside. So then cut it, make sure it fit, and if it still doesn't fit the whole thing, even on the at the end of each end, if it doesn't fit there, you're just gonna go ahead and take the knife and start cutting it until it fits completely and good. Then once you just go ahead and take it inside and you see that it fit like that, that is all the way inside. Then after that, I'm gonna push it down a little bit, and then after I push it down, if it doesn't fit, make sure to take more thing. Just make sure it fits good. This is what's gonna hold it into place, and this is what you have to do to hold it. Then go ahead and grab hot glue. So the extra pieces that you guys have, you're going to put it inside and attach it. Make sure I'm gonna tell you so many times, make sure to put it inside very good. Make sure to put more hot glue, and then make sure to keep putting more of this floral foam inside. This is what's gonna hold it into place. So you have to do a good job as placing it and holding it down like that. And then once you have it hold it down like that, it's ready to go to put your flower. Then I took my toothpick and I'm going to put my flower inside, and I'm just going to place a few flower all the way around it. I'm going to also use some blue, some pink at the bottom, and I'm going to just continue doing this until I do the whole flowers. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think this came out so beautiful, and it could be for any party decorations or any party theme that you guys are doing, or even for a baby shower. I think it would look great on it. You could just put old baby in the middle. You could also add a few balloons if you would like as well. I'm going to use balloon for the next DIY. So for the next idea, what I did was I grabbed these small balloons. These are the small one. I'm going to tie two of them together first, tie it up, and then tie the other two as well, and then go ahead and tie four of them together. Once you do that, just place it in the ring and twist it around just to hold it into place in it, so it can attach into the ring like that. So I'm going to continue attaching another pair and then another one until you attach the whole thing all the way to the middle like that. Then go ahead and place your flower in the floral foam. I put a little bit of flower in the balloons as well, and then just fill it up. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it looks so amazing, and I think you guys will like it for your next party decorations. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, one or two.